Mr. Ratliff, you met Jim Messina, Robinson's fine.
Robinson.
I'm writing on it based on the docket, but.
What's it, Jameson?
Yep, James Cena Robinson.
Yeah, I meant to give you that file because got some stuff going on with that.
Yeah.
It's 2 files.
Okay, got it.
All right, we can do Jacob David Stallworth. Good morning, this is the People versus Jacob David Stallworth, ticket number P13211075, count 1, drive while license suspended. Count, ticket number 13454-377, count 1, drove, while unlicensed and failed to display. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Boston.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, please, sir?
Yeah, good morning. Jacob Davis Stallworth.
Your Honor, as there is a genuine and material issue of fact, we're asking for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please.
Mr. David Stallworth, can you raise your right hand, sir?
Yep.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down, you understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, so the court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set this for a bench trial on July 13th at 9 o'clock.
Which is July 13th?
Yes, July 13th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Any questions?
Is it gonna be like mailed out to me, or
Say that one more time.
is this information gonna be mailed out to me, or
No,
I
this
just need
is
to
your
keep
only
it?
notice.
Okay.
This is your only notice, the same Zoom.
Okay.
All right, you're all set, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyone else you ready on, Mr. Bachman?
We're ready on Kizzy Davis Howard, Your Honor.
This is the People versus Kizzy Davis Howard, ticket number X25-02929, count 1, no ops on person. Ticket number 16224-982, count 1, drove by license not valid or proper license. And ticket number 16224-982, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman, P55052 on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Kizzy Davis.
Thank you. So this is a date and time for trials. Trial was scheduled at 8:30. The defendant is continuing a not guilty plea. We ask that the court consider a motion here to dismiss without prejudice for lack of a complaining witness.
Okay. All right, so this was set for bench trial. It was before 11, it's now 11:23, no officer has appeared, so this should be dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're all set, Ms. Davis Howard.
Thank you.
Okay, as far as Dewan DeVos,
Yeah, so I think it would be beneficial if Ms. Horn and I can have a conversation about that. I have her number here. If you would just permit me, it's an opportunity to speak to her before we move
all
forward.
right, what
Also,
about Lynn Darby?
she's asking for a next action date, please.
For Lynn Darby,
Yes.
you're all set, Ms. Davis Howard. You have any questions?
Oh, no, I was just waiting to if I had anything else, if there was anything else I needed to say. I know we talked about, we talked about a refund because I did pay the bond.
Sure.
Okay, then it'll automatically be sent to you, or you can come down, but it'll be sent to you.
So I can come down and pick it up?
Yes, you can.
Is that within a day or a couple of days?
That's the bond window department. You have to contact the bond window. They'll let you know if it's gonna be ready. You have to let them know. But they normally will send it automatically back to you. I don't know how backlog they are, but you can come down and let them know that your case was dismissed, but don't do it today because you gotta wait till you get in the system.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. I just wanted to make sure, but thank you.
Okay, any other questions?
I do.
No,
I,
ma'am.
I have a concern, and we just want to make sure that any reinstatement fees are taken out of the bond. And so she would close out.
Yeah, they'll automatically do that.
Thank you.
All right, you're all set, Mrs. Davis Howard.
Thank you.
This
Bye-bye.
is the people, this is Lynn Darby, ticket number. Ticket number SP 1327756. Count 1, with expired plate. Count 2, failed to use seatbelt assembly system. Ticket number SP 1327759. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Ticket number, count 2, non-insurance misdemeanor, and then ticket number 1325923, count 1, drove by license not valid, property license, count 2, no-insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Boston.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, ma'am, please.
Lynn Darby.
Thank you. So we anticipate, after having a conversation with Ms. Darby, that she's going to come back in compliance in almost always. So we're asking for a next action date, an adjourned pretrial, please, and thank you, Your Honor.
We try to do it.
June 27th at 8:35.
June 27th
Yes,
at 8:35.
yes, ma'am.
Okay,
You're all set.
thank you.
I'm calling Ms. Horn about the DeBose case, Your Honor.
Okay, you need to talk to Ms. Horn? Oh.
Message, including your name and telephone number, and I will get back with you as soon as possible. Thanks.
I just left a message, Your Honor. I am ready on the remainder of the cases if the court would like to close the breakout
Yeah,
room.
you ready? Let's go. Yeah,
We can close the breakout rooms and then do everything, everybody left.
that's fine. So who do you want to do first?
Kathy Reese, Your Honor.
Yes. Hello?
Stand by,
Yes,
Ms.
Ms.
Reese.
Reed.
Wait a minute, huh?
We're about to call your case, Ms. Reese, so you just need to listen carefully and only speak when being spoken to. You are on 2 different devices. I think it should be a problem. Okay. This is the People versus Kathy Reese. Ticket number D808648, count 1, operating while intoxicated. Good morning, please say your name for the record. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Chetway. You want to open up for?
Yes. 36 District Court are now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, or sleeping, walking around, or driving. When your name is called, unmute your device and give your full attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Mr. Cutway. Okay, this is the People versus Kathy Reese. Ticket number D808648, count 1, operating while intoxicated. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Goffman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Ms. Reese, could you state your name for the record?
Kathy Reese.
Thank you. The defendant is continuing a not guilty plea. We ask for a waiver trial by way of Zoom.
Ms. Reese, can you raise your right hand?
Yeah, you see me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yeah, yes. I don't know what y'all talking about.
Do you understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Oh, okay. I guess so, yes.
Are you saying yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
It'll be what?
The court is
I
gonna
got
make the
difficult
decision
brakes
instead of
on
a
in
jury.
the
You
exhaust
understand
system.
that?
Okay, yeah, I can't even hardly hear y'all, yeah.
Okay, so the court is gonna continue your not guilty plea, set this for a bench trial on July 13th at 9 o'clock. You got that date? July 13th,
Okay,
9 o'clock.
July 13th at 9 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
Man, listen, you know what? Can I say something? I'm not good with this form. None of this.
No, Miss Reese. Miss Reese, you should wait to speak to your attorney, but that's what the trial date is set for then, okay?
July 13th, 9 o'clock. Okay.
Okay,
Can't talk
you're
to
all set.
nobody.
Judge, your video is out.
Say that one more time.
Your video is out.
Man,
It's out. You can't see me?
Right, correct.
The video, it has the green light on the camera in the courtroom.
No, what we see is an icon. Yes, I really don't understand what it is, but we don't see you.
Yeah, it should be seen from the side
I told her sticky hand to help my girlfriend.
I don't know. I see, I mean, I see.
Oh, it's something that's been done on Zoom. Who logged on Detroit 36-4334?
That's me, that.
Can you turn the video?
Okay,
Okay. All right, who are you ready on next, Mr. Baughman?
Mr. Baughman,
You're
you,
muted, Mr.
Sorry,
Baughman.
we're ready on Crystal Ratliff, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Ratcliffe. Thank you. This is
Hi,
the people versus Crystal Ratcliffe. Ticket number X341530 count 1, no operator's license, multiple ops, no op. Ticket number SX34153044, count 1, no operator's license on person. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Baughman.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, your name, please.
Hi, my name is Crystal Ratcliffe.
Thank you. Your Honor, the defendant has forwarded to my attention a valid driver's license that was issued on February 28th of 2022 and will expire on May the 18th of 2025. He's here accused of having an invalid driver's license, and since she's in compliance, we would ask the court to dismiss the instant case for compliance, and I would stipulate to probable cause for that. Please and thank
All
you,
right,
Your
this
Honor.
matter is dismissed without prejudice, both tickets actually. And you are all set, Ms. Ratcliffe. Good luck to you. All right, who else are you ready on, Mr. Baughman?
Naja Riley is ready, Your Honor.
Ms. Riley? You're all set, Ms. Ratcliffe. Did you have any questions?
No, I don't. Thank you.
Welcome. This is the people versus Naja Riley, ticket number U5621540, count 1, enter or remain on private property. When closed, ticket number 204521811, supply false information and or ID to police officer. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Baughman.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am.
Nadia Riley.
Judge, there's a material issue of fact. We're asking that the matter be set for a bench trial by way of Zoom. My client knows she has a right to a jury trial. She's gonna waive that here today.
Okay, Ms. Riley, can you raise your right hand? You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
Do you understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
Okay, so the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial on July 13th at 9 o'clock. Any questions?
No.
You're all set, ma'am. Good luck.
Okay, thank you.
Who's next? Mr. Bach?
Simone Roberson, Your Honor.
Ms. Roberson?
All of them.
This is the People versus Simone Roberson, ticket number P13211813, count one, disregard officer signal. Good morning, please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney Bosman.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, ma'am.
Simone Roberson.
Thank you. There is a genuine and material issue of fact here, Your Honor. We're asking for a trial date by way of Zoom, please.
All right, Ms. Roberson, can you raise your right hand? You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set this for a bench trial for July 13th at 9 o'clock. Any questions?
No.
You're all set, ma'am. Bring on anyone else?
Mr. Dantzler.
Bennett Dantzler. On the bottom left-hand corner, go and mute yourself, sir. This is the People versus Bennett Dantzler, ticket number 374503, count one, no operator's license in possession, count two, no insurance, never acquired. Ticket number 484-288, count one, no operator's license on person. Ticket number 431069, count one, no operator's license in possession. Ticket number P1018365, count one, drove on a license not valid or improper license. And I think that's it. Good morning, please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Dantzler, state your name for the record.
You're muted, Mr. Dancer. Look on the bottom left-hand corner to unmute yourself, tap the screen. There may be a microphone. You tap that, sir.
Hold on, I'm almost done.
Hello,
Say your name.
Bennett Dantzler. Bennett Dantzler.
So, Mr. Dantzler is asking for a trial date, Your Honor. These tickets are.
Mr. Dancer, raise your right hand, sir. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
yes,
All right, so your court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set this for a bench trial on July 13th at 9 o'clock. Any questions, sir?
no.
You are all set. Good luck.
I got another case.
You got three, I think, or four, 3 or 4. So they're all set for bench trial, sir.
Cause they told me that I had two court dates on the same day at different times.
Could you turn on off your radio, Mr. Dancer? You in court.
We'll make sure everything is set for that day.
All right,
Okay, you're all set.
thank you.
Okay, are you ready on James Cena?
We're waiting for,
Robinson?
we're waiting for an offer for that defendant. We can go ahead on DuBose, Your Honor.
I got an offer on that particular
Okay.
one. Case ending in 644, count 1 and 2 as charged. All other matters dismissed.
644, count 1 and 2, driving while license
Yeah.
suspended and no insurance.
Yeah, as
And all the other
charged, all
cases
other
will be
matters
dismissed.
dismissed.
Did you hear that, Ms. Robinson?
I don't understand what that means. Could you
Okay.
elaborate, please?
Yeah, I will, but I want you to go back in the breakout room and I'll see you there. Do you see the invitation for the breakout room?
Not yet.
Well, it should be the same one that you went to before. So check the more and then the breakout room.
The rooms are closed and
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
if I open them, everyone will go back. So she has to be patient for a minute.
Okay, Ms. Robinson. I'm gonna send you
Okay.
my number. Oh, never mind.
Are you ready on DuBose, Mr. Baughman?
We are.
Okay, we can do that one. Mr. DuBose, you can unmute yourself, bottom left-hand corner. This is the people versus DeWine DuBose, ticket number Z808517. Count 1, operating with a high blood alcohol content. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Baughman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
DeWine DuBose.
Also, the record should reflect the presence of the complaining witness. Sir, would you state your name, please?
Me, DeWine DuBose.
This Officer Ibrahim.
Yes, Officer Ibrahim.
Your Honor, there is a material issue of fact and the defendant's continuing a not guilty plea and asking for a trial date. For that purpose, I'm asking specifically that the court adjourn today's trial date, appoint an attorney to represent Mr. DuBose. I think that he is at a disadvantage to be represented by House counsel where there are outstanding issues with respect to presentation of evidence as well as subpoena of witnesses that would be able to appear on Mr. DuBose's behalf. I'm asking you to consider a brief adjournment for that appointment of counsel to represent Mr. DuBose as well as for a next action date, a trial date, waiver trial by Zoom, please, and thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, yeah.
And if need be, I can prepare the petition and send
Do
it.
you have a copy of the petition?
I do.
Okay, great.
All right, so yeah, okay, so we'll adjourn this we'll do a couple weeks, we'll do June 27th at 8:35. And
Yes, because we're gonna do it. That's right.
all right, and then Mr. Baughman, you will interview Mr. DuBose, and then the court will sign the document and fax it over to the appropriate.
Yes, Your Honor.